the Anti-Trafficking in Persons book that we created, that we compiled in Quezon City. So we're launching it today. It was really to provide situationers ang mga kwento ng ating mga OFWs and other constituents who have been trafficked, and solutions, issues and solutions. It's a compilation of what we have been through, what they have been through, and what we can do for them. I'm very happy because I think we really sparked interest in everyone who was here. Our stakeholders, I think, are very gung-ho and still very passionate about our cause. And I think we're bringing in more people to be more active in the advocacy. So as we saw earlier, there were plenty questions and a lot of interest when it came to trafficking. So I'm very happy that we're gaining that kind of traction.